Hi, it's Mrs. Carl, and I'm here with Sight and Sound Phonics. Today we are working on the vowel Y as a vowel. Remember, I like to show you this because I don't want you to forget that Y is sometimes a consonant when it says y, like in yes and yo, yo-yo and you, all right? But sometimes Y is a vowel. And in the words we're going to do today, the Y is going to act as a vowel, all right? Y can say two things when it's a vowel. It can say I, all right? We've had that like in the word why and buy and try and cry. The Y says I. Today, most of the words we're going to do, the Y is going to say E, because when Y is a vowel, it says I or E. And it's going to be at the end of the words. Usually when the Y is a vowel, it's at the end of the word. Not all the time, but usually it comes at the end of the word. All right? Now, the words we're going to do today, again, you have to help me. Please get paper and pencil or print out this sheet that has a baby, okay? And here is a girl looking in the mirror. The word we're going to do today for that is pretty. Pretty. But you could print out that sheet or get any piece of paper. You do not have to have this. If you can't get it, you get a piece of paper and a pencil. It is so very important that you please do these with me. All right? Do them with me because that's making you a stronger speller and a better reader too. All right? The first word we're going to do today and sound out together is going to be the word baby. Baby. All right, a B. Lowercase, please. Come down, bat, and a ball. For the B for baby. Bay. You hear the A? I do. We need an A. Baby. Baby. We need another B. A bat and a ball. All right, now, listen. Baby, do you hear the E? It's not an E. What is it? It's going to be a Y. The Y is going to be like the vowel. It's a vowel and it says E. B-A-B-Y, baby, baby. The next word we're going to do together is pretty. Pretty. Here's a girl looking in the mirror. She's very pretty. Pretty. All right? A P, and a lowercase p has a tail. P. Pr, 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 pr. It's P-R. Good. Pr, pr, pretty. Okay. Now, there's an E here. Pretty. Pretty. Eh. It's kind of like an eh, okay? It's the short E sound of eh. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We say it fast. It's hard to hear that it's that eh sound. But that's what it's supposed to be. There's an E here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. A T. Pretty. Another T. Now, pretty, do you hear an E? Should I put an E up there? No? What do you want me to put? A Y. Good job. A Y. Pretty. Mrs. Carl, that really didn't make too good of a Y. Okay? P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Baby, pretty. The next word is the word any. Any. Do you have any crayons? Do you have any pencils? Any. Any. Okay, we're going to write the word any. It's A N N And now if I say the word, you any. Do you hear the E at the end? Am I going to put an E? Nope. I'm going to put a Y. the end of the word, the Y says E in this word, any. A-N-Y is the little word any. Any. Now we're going to write the little word many. I have many friends. I have many friends who like to read with me too. Many. Do you have many friends? Do you have many books? Many. An M. Good. Now, I want you to look up here at all those words. If I'm going to write the word many, 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 does it rhyme with any of those words up here? Baby, does that rhyme with many? No. Pretty, does that rhyme with many? Any, does that rhyme with many? Ooh, we found it. Any and many are going to rhyme. They sound the same at the end, and they're going to be spelled the same. Well, we had A and Y for any, so now I have an M. What do I need for the any? A, N, N-E. Does it E? Should I put an E? No, we need a Y. M-A-N-Y, many. Any and many are two rhyming words. I took any and put an M and made it many. I take many, take off the M, and I have any. All right, let's write a sentence. Start with a capital letter, an uppercase letter, a big letter, and the first letter we're going to write is the word who. Who. Now, sounds like who's going to start with an H, but I know that you know better than that. Do you remember what we have to start with when we write the word who? Good. We need a W. So the word who is spelled uppercase letter now, big letter, W-H-O. Who. Who, two finger spacing, is. It, short I, is and an S. Hit who is, and I'd like the word pretty. 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 Did we write it up here? We sure did. So let's sound it out and do it together. The P, R, E, T, another T, and then when you say pretty, do you hear pretty? Do you hear the E at the end? Is it going to be an E? No. What's it going to be? A Y. Good. Who is pretty? Here she is, the girl up there, isn't it? Isn't that pretty? So you can circle it or color it or anything what you want, all right, to show us that that's the answer. But when we say who is pretty, we have to end our sentence. What do we end our sentence with? A question mark, because it asks the question. Who is pretty? We need the question mark. All right, we need the question mark. Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much for doing this page with me. You learned a lot about the Y as a vowel saying E. And come back and we'll do more. Bye.